Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel VaaSaM. I am Madhu and today I'll be showing you how to use pixel art, a pixel art of one of mine, and we're going to do a simple one and I'm going to go through it with you. So first I'm going to show you, this is pixel art, like you can make anything, any pictures, any characters, whatever you want in pixel art, and we're going to go every step by step. So first I'm going to show you one that I've done like for my assignment, and that is the picture Belle. Belle is a Disney character, and it took me like a very long time. Like it took me like 3 hours or 4 hours to finish this, but it was like kind of worth it when I've done this. We're gonna do one like this, but it's not gonna be very big because we're not gonna go big for the first time. We're gonna do a very simple one, which is this heart, and then we can go like one by one to like big ones. So for this first step, I'm gonna show you how to make these big and fat squares. It's not squares, it's rectangles, to these small squares. So first we're going to click the first column, which is A. We're going to click Shift and the right arrow, and then we're going to keep on going till W. So the reason why we need W is it's for this picture, but you can go as much as you want for the picture you're going to create. But yeah, so we're going to do this. So how we're going to do this is that you want to make it small. So remember not to do it from K, not to do it from Q or anything in the middle or from the first. We're going to do it from the end. So for us, it's W for now. So we're just going to click this, and then we're going to move it all the way here, and it's going to make you into small squares. And if you want, you can make them more. There we go. Okay, yeah. So now what we're going to do here is that I'm going to show you the picture first. It's a heart with it's a blue color one, but we can create the one we want. So first we're going to do the border of it. We're going to click the middle part of it. We're going to go like from K. We're going to click this. Yep, there we go. And now we're going to color it. You're going to like see this button, which is fill color, and then we're going to click the color black. And now we're going to count how much of these we need to go, and that is 6. So we're going to go 6 diagonally. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, nearly done, 5, and last one, 6. So we're going to do it the same for the other side, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, nearly done, 5, and last one, 6. So it's given us our V shape for our heart, like the bottom part of it. Now we're going to see what's the next step. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these colored together. So we're going to do that for both the sides. So 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to color it as black because we're doing the outline first. And for the same side, the other side too. So the reason why we're going to do the outline first is that it's going to be easy, and then you can color in the inside like after you're done, and then you're not going to really need to look at the picture more if it's the same. So now we're going to do the next part, which is 1 inside. We're going to color this with, again, black because we're doing the outline. And now our next part is that there's 4 colored together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to color it with black. And now also the other part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Right, we're done. So now we're going to like do this part over here. Like it's coming down. And then one more layer down. And then it's going right back up and connecting. It's like join the dots. So we got our heart shape over here. It's exactly how it's like this. Now how we're going to do this is that we're going to color it in. So if you see this part, it has some white squares in it, and we're not going to get confused. So you see this middle right over here. We're going to color it with the color you want. I'm going to choose the color red. You can choose blue, whatever color you want to. So we have red here. And this part, there's nothing you have to like change except the color you chose. So we're going to color it fully with the color we chose. There we go. I'm going to do red because I really like when I make hearts, I like using color red. Red's also my favorite color. So we're going to do this. Yeah, nearly done. There we go. Just one more. And done. Okay, so for this part, we're going to see. So the other two column, there's nothing white in it. So we're going to color with the color we chose. So I'm doing the two columns as red because that's my color. You can make it rainbow, whatever you want. So over here, these 4 blocks, they're all colored. So we're going to color these 4 blocks. Yep, there we go. And now over here, these parts were also covered. So like there's no other color we're going to add. So we're going to put that together. And now we're going to see. Over here, you see here. Now it's 2 colored, 2 not colored, 2 colored. So 2 colored, we're going to color those. 2 not colored. So that's going to be there. Now this is like leaving one square and then it's going together over here. So we're going to leave this part and then color these parts together. Leave it white. And now it's going like 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, like that. So we're going to leave this square over there. Yep. And then we're going to color this in our color. So we're done. Yeah. That wasn't it wasn't like very much to do because this was like a very small picture. There are many pictures you can do, like do very big ones. And if these squares, like if these columns won't fit for you, I'll show you a way to like add more columns so you can do for your big pictures. We're going to click insert here and then column to the right. And then it's going to add another column. So if you want another one, column right. So we're going to click that. You can like click that till the one you want. So that's all for today's video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.